lifestyle wearable brand Fitbit has announced that the Ace 3 Special Edition Minions Fitness Tracker will begin local availability starting this month, June 2021. Featuring customizable daily activity goals, a waterproof design, and 8 days of battery life, this special edition Fitbit Ace 3 designed for kids will retail for $4,790. The new Minions-themed Ace 3 will retain the same functionalities of the regular version, from all-day activity tracking, up to 8 days of battery life, animated clock faces, sleep tracking with bedtime reminders and silent alarms, up to 50 meters water resistance, in-app messaging and competitions, virtual badges, and a family account for parents to manage their kids' watch.